and up. Just rolling, okay, like this. Okay, your body just roll to the side and up. Roll to the side and up. Okay, good girl. Let's close and let's shake it out. Relax, shake it out. Yes, shake it out. Okay, right now, lay down, hold. Okay, just straight your knee, let the blood go down a little, stay. Good. Stay. Okay, right now, everybody go. Push up, go down as much as you can. If you can touch on the floor, it will be good. Otherwise, stay here. Right now, we stretch your lower back. Stay. And then down. Slowly. Good. We do one more time. Go. Push up. Support your lower back and stay there. Hold it, don't move. Feel the stretch in lower back. And then up. Up. Right now, just bend your knee. Very comfortable position. Hold there, let your lower back relax. Just stay for a moment. And then we will continue our favorite thing, set-ups. Get ready, okay? We do 10 times. Ready? Okay. Go up, 1. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay, don't move. Hold, don't move, okay? And then we will do 10 times this way. Watch me, okay? So you now go front, you go side, side. We do 10 times, okay? Ready? So we will work on this muscle, okay? This fat. Take that out, okay? Ready, everybody? Go. 1, 2, same side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Okay, relax. And then we will do the other side, okay? Ready? We will go other side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We have one more to go. Straight your knee. Okay? You can hold your mat. Use your hand to hold your mat. Be stable or whatever you want to make it stable. Right now, we only do the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to do one more time. This for your lower 6-pack, okay? Relax. One last time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Okay, relax. One leg up. To the side. Twist. Stay, don't move. Hold there for a moment. Stay. Hold it. Twist it. And up. Down. We change the other side twist. Okay, leg up. Go other side. Hold, stay. Don't move. Stay. Face down. And kneel down. Right now, in the position, stretch your back. Stay. Hold there. Don't move. Let it go. And then up. Right now, we work on the back, okay? So, arch, head up, and arch. Again, arch. Again, and arch. This time, hold a little longer. Stay there, position. And up. Give you a little relax. Stay. Hold a little. Don't move. And then up. And all the way down. Yes. Right now you push up. Head up. Stay this position. Don't move. Let your lower back relax, let it go. Just stay there. You don't need to do that big yet. Just let it go. And go down. Relax a little. We will do one more time, okay? So don't hold, okay? Just stay. Let it go. Head up. Don't move. Stay. And then up. Okay, relax position. Stay the relaxed position. Yes, hold there. Right now, up. Okay, stay. Right now we go a little bit bigger, okay? Work on your lower back. And then go back, push your hip forward. Stay, head up. And straight. Give you a little relax. And back. And straight. One more. Back. And hold there. Stay, don't move. And up. We will do one more time. Go. One. And up. Continue. Two. And up. This one will be harder. Arm up. Remember, push your hip forward. Arch back. As much as you can. Arm in there. Stay there. Yes. Very good. Hold there. Don't move. Don't move. And up. Back to your relaxed position. Give it a little break. Stay. We will do this again, okay? Stay. Okay, up again. Okay? We will do one last time, okay? So, on hip. So make your arm, hand on your back.